What's going on, everyone? Today is the first day of April 2020. Here to give you all this update in Bitcoin. But before I do, as always, I want to remind each and every one of you, if this is your first time watching our video, hit that subscribe button, like and share the video, and then follow us on all the social media platforms. Preferably follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Also, we got a website. If you guys want to see more of our price predictions and forecasts into the market, definitely you have to become a member of ours on our website in order to see those predictions for the cryptocurrency space. All right, so now, right now, being that today is the first day of April, the overall stock market looks to take a dump. The Dow is set to fall around 700 points. Right now, the Dow futures is down 3.39%. The S&P 500 futures about the same, 3.37%, and then the Nasdaq futures is down 2.79%. So, are we going to see that same type of volatility in the market for the cryptocurrency space? We may very well. So that's what we're going to update you all right now in the market for Bitcoin. Now, the last time we did our video in Bitcoin was right there on the 28th of March. You guys can see we expected some movement to the downside to play out. So hopefully you was able to grab or bag some of this profitability in the market in Bitcoin right there on the 29th or even the start of the 30th of March. To where you could have got about 5.11% bagged in your profits. All right, so that is old information. You know how we like to do it. I like to give you guys these predictions in the market going forward. So let's do that now. So when you look at Bitcoin and you begin to see areas of resistance in the market right there around $6,400 to $68, that is the only thing that is holding back Bitcoin from moving higher. So this is our Bitcoin halving price prediction, right? So around May 18th, 2020 is when the halving of Bitcoin is to occur. So let's do an updated Bitcoin price halving prediction. Okay. So when you look at Bitcoin on the weekly price chart, and you can tell that this trend in Bitcoin, it is definitely still in play. The long-term trend in Bitcoin is still one of higher price. We came and bounced off this major ascending line twice already. Now, over the last couple of weeks in Bitcoin, you guys can still see how the market has got induced with a lot of stockpile. Definitely people are coming through in Bitcoin trying to offload some of their coins. But the market is being very reluctant into falling below this major trend that Bitcoin is in. Could it be because of the halving? Very well. Yes, I would definitely say that that's the reason why Bitcoin hasn't fell below this $5,000 price. It's because of anticipation of the restriction of supply being taken out the market. So right now, Bitcoin is still, for the long term, still looking good to continue to see some higher price. I say that because first, the market is still trading above that major ascension line. Third, the market is still closing above $5,900 on a long-term basis. When you look at Bitcoin on the monthly time frame, you can see right here that we got a very wide spread to conclude the month of March, but we closed well off of this ascending line. So yeah, at best, we're going to get consolidational trading. At worst, we're going to get consolidational trade. At best, we're going to continue to see higher price going to the Bitcoin halving in May of 2020. Okay. Taking it back over to the daily time frame. Yesterday was a very good opportunity for Bitcoin to continue to see higher price, and it didn't capitalize. So the market is still looking stagnant right now, but amongst that stagnation, the market in Bitcoin is still amping itself up to see higher price. So that is the reason why we're still looking for Bitcoin to see higher price. Zooming out, you guys can see that this is the resistance area that the market in Bitcoin is trying to break above, and currently it's being unsuccessful. I mean, just being real with each and every one of you, the market is being unsuccessful at that. But with the light volume, the market in Bitcoin is still expected to try to continue to see higher price. So that's what we're going to play with in the market in Bitcoin. Looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, very small spread is being played out. Yes, we are seeing some weakness right now. And this is where I'm expecting us to see some strength coming to the market in Bitcoin. So around like $6,000, $6,100 is where I'm looking for the market in Bitcoin to find some strength. So what we're going to do in Bitcoin is we're going to continue to place a movement higher in price. Okay, so on the daily time frame, this is the near-term restriction area around $6,400. But for us, we'll go ahead and TP the market around 68 once again in Bitcoin, which will be like another 7, almost 8% price movement to the upside. Okay. So we're still looking for the market in Bitcoin, specifically as we go into the month of May, to see Bitcoin movement higher based off the restriction in supply on the creation of the Bitcoin token, and based off the weekly time frame, still seeing that viability playing out based off his trading off of this ascended line, and the fact that it is currently trading right here above this price level, which is a crucial support area, $5,900. Okay, if the market in Bitcoin breaks below $5,800, it's all a loss. In terms of us trying to see higher price, it becomes less if the market in Bitcoin starts to trade below $5,800. Okay, so I just want to tell you that too. But right now we're going to go ahead and place a movement higher in price for Bitcoin. Okay, so questions, comments, we got our TP at $6,800. Make sure you leave us one in the comment section. Make sure you follow us. All right, I'm done.